Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today we're focusing on regrowing garlic from kitchen scraps. This easy and sustainable method allows you to recycle food waste and enjoy fresh garlic right at home. Let's get started. Regrowing garlic is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. It reduces food waste, saves money, and provides a continuous supply of fresh garlic for your kitchen. Here's how to regrow garlic from a clove. First, choose the right clove. Select a healthy garlic clove from an organic bulb. Next, prepare the clove. Leave the papery skin on and ensure the pointed end is up. Then, plant in soil. Use a pot with good drainage or plant in your garden. Plant the clove 2 inches deep and cover with soil. Now, water and care. Water lightly but regularly. Garlic prefers full sun, so place in a sunny spot. Optionally, you can mulch around the garlic to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Within weeks, you'll see green shoots. Harvest by cutting near the base, leaving some leaves for bulb growth. Garlic bulbs are ready when lower leaves turn brown, after 8 to 9 months. First, gently loosen the soil around the bulb. Next, carefully lift out the bulb. Finally, brush off the soil and let the bulbs dry in a cool, airy place for a few weeks. To store garlic first, store bulbs in a mesh bag in a cool, dark place. Alternatively, you can peel and chop the garlic, then store it in an airtight container in the freezer. Regrowing garlic from kitchen scraps is simple, rewarding, and sustainable. Give it a try and enjoy a continuous supply of fresh garlic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!